A modern pulse oximeter is all about the insights you get from it, not just numbers you see on the screen. The Oxiline XS Pro and the Oxiline Pulse MD Pro are both FDA cleared options that position themselves as the best on the market. But which of these oximeters is actually superior? In this video, I will figure that out. And if you decide to get either the Pulse XD or the MD Pro for yourself, check the link in the description for a special discount. Or you can scan this QR code to get the same deal, whichever option you prefer. To begin with, what makes these two pulse oximeters seem so different? Starting with the Pulse XS Pro, this one brings an all-in-one style to your fingertips. No external cables or sensors, just a compact device that you clip directly onto your finger. This makes it literally pocketable, its dimensions are tiny, and it weighs so little that I managed to forget it in my coat pockets more than once. The screen is also significantly smaller than usual, about 1.5 inches, but the crystal OLED screen guarantees good quality. Convenience-wise, it's likely the best finger pulse oximeter on the market. This device is not the only thing included in the box. It also comes with a wrist lanyard, keeping it easy to carry around. Being this small, the Oxiline Pulse XS Pro's battery capacity is anything but modest. 2 AAA batteries supply about 24 hours of continuous use, which is almost 2,880 measurements. Now, the Oxiline MD Pro takes a different approach. This device consists of the main unit and the detachable oximeter fingertip sensor with 3-foot wire connecting the two. This device is clearly more stationary. It's not meant to be brought with you unless you have a bag. The front of the device is dominated by a 3-inch crystal OLED screen, which is more readable than the smaller one at the XS Pro. The package also includes a screen protector to keep this screen pristine. That said, the bigger screen makes for a worse battery life, with only 14 hours of continuous work time. While very different in appearance, both devices are still pulse oximeters, so they provide real-time readings of oxygen saturation, heart rate, perfusion index, and a plethysmograph waveform, a visual representation of pulse strength. For oxygen saturation, the ranges are between 35 and 100%. For pulse rate, 25 to 250 beats per minute, plus minus 2. That's quite accurate as far as oximeters go, and if the readings go above and beyond the customizable limits, you will get a loud alert. Of course, both devices are fully compatible with the Oxiline app, where you can store your unlimited readings, track the changes over time, and even export this data in either PDF or CSV formats to share with your doctor. The app also seamlessly syncs with Apple Health and Android Health. Considering that the app also has a huge help center, it makes figuring out how to use the pulse oximeter very easy. To get the Oxiline XS Pro or the MD Pro with a special discount, check the link in the description or scan this QR code. And alongside the deal, you'll get free shipping, a lifetime warranty, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, along with HSA and FSA eligibility. So far, both devices look very similar, with sizing being the main difference. And to be fair, the size is where the differences really stem from. The Pulse XS Pro's sensors are what enable its compact design. The VTEX AX sensor built into the finger clamp allows for an on-spot checks and measurements. The Pulse MD Pro, on the other hand, is built with VTEC MD sensor. This one is intended for longer, stable monitoring sessions, including overtime measurements. In essence, it's not about which device is better, but which one is the best pulse oximeter for you. If you often need measurements on the spot, never sit in one place, and even don't tend to carry bags, the Pulse XS Pro is perfect for ensuring you always have the oximeter at the ready. And if you don't prioritize travel, need a heart rate monitor with a larger display, and prefer long-term monitoring overnight or during rest periods, choose the Pulse MD Pro. So make your pick and get one of the best pulse oximeters through a link in the description below for the best price possible. And if you need other health devices, check out the rest of this channel. I reviewed a lot of useful and versatile health tech for your convenience. Thanks for watching, and keep your beats in check. I will see you again next time.